Just a quick catch up on the man eating eel mishap. My granddaughter got her revenge back, and she got her own back on the eel. She went out and caught that eel. Okay, let's see how she got on. Okay, there's Mila quietly with the little hand line. She's trying to catch the eel that bit her fingers a little while ago. Yeah, and it was just down the creek where you can see in front of her.
Granddad, it actually bit. I can see it moving.
Oh, you can see it moving.
Yes.
Hang on, just wait.
Fine. Look, it's moving.
Has he got it yet?
Yes.
Has he got it?
Yeah, he's got it.
Pull it in.
Should I pull it over here?
Yeah.
Okay. Come.
Is it hard? Whoa, whoa, whoa. You got him. Pull it hard. Oh, there's Mila. She caught an eel. Go, pull him in hard.
Can you?
Do you want me to come and help you?
Yeah.
Hang on.
This is hard.
There's the eel Mila caught. Who knows? It could have been the one that bit her finger. But yeah. So she's getting revenge on the eel that bit her finger. Cool.